Deep in the tropical ocean, a forgotten cargo giant waits silently for a second life to begin. Years of saltwater, storms, and neglect have left this ship covered in rust and decay. Today, the restoration team arrives, beginning the enormous task of bringing this ship back to life. Every corner is packed with years of debris, corrosion, and forgotten equipment. Layer after layer of salt, dirt, and grime begins to disappear under powerful cleaning equipment. With the surface dirt gone, the team now attacks years of deeply embedded rust. Unsafe structures must be removed before serious repairs can begin across the vessel. Attention shifts to the bridge, where years of exposure have weakened critical structures. Inside the engine room, decades of grime hide the ship's original strength. Detailed inspections reveal the most critical repairs needed to save the ship. The most damaged steel sections are carefully removed to prepare for reconstruction. Fresh structural steel begins replacing sections that could no longer be saved. Thousands of welds slowly restore the strength needed for the ship to survive at sea. Above deck, critical supports are rebuilt piece by piece to ensure long-term stability. Even the command center must be rebuilt before this giant can sail into a new future. New deck sections replace weakened steel that could no longer support safe operations. Internal reinforcements are added to restore the ship's structural backbone. Every meter of the hull is strengthened to withstand future years at sea. Inside the cargo holds, hidden damage demands careful rebuilding from the ground up. Months of effort are beginning to show, but the transformation is still far from complete. With structural repairs complete, protective coatings begin shielding the ship from future corrosion. Future guest areas begin taking shape beneath layers of ongoing construction. The bridge is slowly evolving from a ruin into a functional space once again. Essential infrastructure is installed before any luxury features can be added. After months of relentless work, the ship is finally ready for its next stage of transformation. Construction crews begin creating the framework for future luxury spaces across the deck. Strong foundations are essential before the dream of a floating paradise can become reality. Inside the ship, empty industrial spaces slowly begin their journey toward comfort. A dramatic viewing area begins to emerge from steel, planning, and relentless effort. The abandoned cargo ship is finally beginning to resemble something extraordinary. The ship's future observation decks are beginning to take shape above the ocean. Luxury accommodations begin emerging where rust and decay once dominated every surface. Every section is carefully crafted to blend luxury with the ship's original character. The vision is becoming clear, yet hundreds of finishing details still remain. After countless hours of work, the floating paradise is finally nearing completion. At last, the final pieces fall into place and the transformation is complete. From forgotten wreck to floating paradise, the journey has completely transformed this ship. Every angle reveals a remarkable blend of engineering, luxury, and restoration. What was once abandoned now offers some of the most spectacular ocean views imaginable. From rusted ruin to floating paradise, this incredible restoration proves that even the forgotten can become extraordinary. Thank you for watching Royal Frames. Subscribe now and discover more incredible stories from around the world.